There's no an easy answer to this, or to those who want to invest in Somalia, as the security is a major challenge, and also the lack of enabling environment for the private sector. However, despite all the challenges that exist in Somalia, there are many opportunities for those who want to invest in the private sector. And I can give you some practical examples in the businesses that now emerging in Somalia, which can flourish and which can make really the whole industry grow and prosper. A good example is Al Mizan, who is engaged in sesame export, processing, packaging, and exporting of Somali sesame into outside world. Another example is Juba Agro, which imports agriculture farm machineries in Somalia, like tractors, planters, interrow cultivators, and other heavy machineries for agriculture intervention. Another example is Som Grain, which is a very big investment near Mogadishu, that is engaged also in processing maize and to make it readily available to the consumers, like making it a readily available soil. And this, can easily replace the consumption of rice and other food products in Somalia if it's really taken up by the consumers. And I've recently traveled in many places in Somalia, and I've realized that the private sector in particular are venturing into central pivot irrigation system, which is really high-end technology for irrigation system. And I've seen one in Puntland and one in southern Somalia, and this is really a big investment for agricultural irrigation system. Last example that I would like to discuss with you here is Filson, which is a private arm of SATG. Filson is a newly emerging company that deals with seed processing and packaging and marketing, as well as tissue culture banana, which is introduction of a laboratory technology that will facilitate the production of banana seedlings, which is clean and uniform and easily transplantable in the field. So this technology now is available in Somalia through Filson. Filson is also engaged in soil analysis. Farmers have access to what is available in their soil, what nutrient is available in soil, and what is deficient in the soil, so that they can intervene and they can make strategic intervention in the soil. Filson is also engaged in testing seed qualities. It has a laboratory that will check the germination, the purity of the seed. And also Filson is engaged in training of students from various universities to provide them with hands-on experience and practical experience in the agriculture system. There are many challenges in Somalia for the private sector investment. However, there are much more opportunities than the challenges that currently exist.